Don't mind this right here. This is a 72-inch TV screen that I'm trying to figure out what to do with because I'm rearranging my studio setup here, and ignore that, okay? But the most popular haircut in 2022, it's not going away, and it's all your favorite haircut, the TikToker haircut. And I know you're saying, oh my gosh, this again, but you know what? The amount of people who DM me on a regular basis trying to figure out how to get this type of style, you know, you're all purchasing a TikToker hairstyle kit that I have, which is these three products right here: the locked hairspray, the TikToker round brush, and my tidal wave. This is what I use to achieve this, aside from having the right haircut. But as a professional stylist, all right, for over 25 years, I put this kit together because this is what I use to create this look, along with my blow dryer as well. So you need a bunch of stuff in order to style this properly. And you know, sometimes people say, oh, the product, it's not where it's not the product. I've tested this. I'm a licensed professional. I've worked on thousands upon thousands of heads. I know that these products work for the style. It's a matter of the technique and the haircut, which is why you're not achieving this. Because the amount of messages I get, or DMs from mothers out there, or people say, oh, we're trying it, but it's not working. You can't just put in tidal wave and all of a sudden magically your hair is going to look like this, okay? Because you may not have the right haircut, the right hair texture, or may not know how to style it properly, okay? So there's a lot going on here but this to me is and still will be the most popular haircut of 2022. And you know, the best thing to do, because I get so many people asking me about how to achieve this hairstyle. What do I say to the barber? What do I say to my hairstylists? How do I get the flip up on the front? All these amazing questions. Well, firstly, if you're looking to get this, take a screenshot right here. Take a screenshot of this and just show your professional. Whether you use like a picture from Instagram of somebody whose hair you like if you love Josh Richards, his haircut, well, download a picture of his hair and show it to your barber. It's that simple. The amount of people who continuously ask me what to say to my barber, what do I say? You don't have to say much, just show them a photograph. It's up to them to translate that into a haircut, all right? And if your barber or your stylist is not duplicating this or able to recreate this, it's time to find somebody else, you know? Because at this point, people should know how to create something like this. The key to this haircut, what makes it so popular and so unique and why people still like it, is that, you know, I would say people usually in their, teens, the early to mid 20s are wearing this hairstyle because, one, if the hair is just all flat in your face like this, it just looks like a messy kind of textured haircut, which is kind of cool. There's nothing wrong with that, right? But what makes it very unique is the fact that you can take your hand, bring it back like this, do a couple little twirls, and create some volume and texture, right? This already is baked on with tidal wave and all that. So, and you can create a pretty wild, cool, flipped out style like this within seconds. And that's what makes it so unique, all right? And the key to this, as you see in through here, all this is all because it's layered properly, right? The hair, if it was not layered, and this was all the way down to here, it would not be able to flip. So if you can't get your hair to flip up, it's simply because this is all not layered enough in through here, but also it's because you're not styling it properly. For this hairstyle, and that's why I suggest and created the TikToker hairstyle kit, tidal wave. And you don't need a lot. Just spray maybe 3-4 spritzes the most on damp hair, all right? And then when you're blow drying your hair, the key is to make sure, sorry, hold on a second, I'm getting all this situated over here. The key is to make sure that when you're using the blow dryer and this brush, this is the perfect size brush for this hairstyle. What you need to do is you need to brush this out first to get any tangles out of the hair, okay? Make sure there's no tangles, so brush through it. And then you have to twist. See how I'm rolling my hand and my wrist? I'm twisting the hair up like this, and then I'm going in with the blow dryer, but I'm constantly turning and rolling and turning and rolling. And what that does is it helps flip the hair up, all right? You need the hair to flip up. So once again, the heat From the blow dryer, no, it's not gonna fry your hair off unless you do it improperly. If you let it sit here for 30 minutes and bake your hair and you start a fire, that's not good. But you can see when you go opposite of where you need, of the direction that it goes in, meaning up or back, you can see what's happening. It's creating all these flips, but you need to set the hair in place. All right, and then once you have it set in place, it's usually like a set it and forget it type of situation. And that's when you go in with a locked hairspray right here, just to kind of help lock it in place. So, and if you do want to kind of restyle this, you can bring all this hair back and then you push forward. And what I like to do is I like to just create a little bit of texture into here by maneuvering and manipulating my hands, right? So it's able to get some of that flip right into here. And that's what makes it so unique and so important to get this style, to get these flips. It's a matter of just going back, teasing the hair, putting some texture into it, and then it falls right into place. Then it's up to you to have, however you want to style it and tweak it to make it look like however you want it to look like. But yeah, but basically this is the most popular haircut of 2022. I don't see this going away, and I know that there's a lot of people that hate this hairstyle. They're like, oh, I'm so sick of this hairstyle and blah, 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 blah. Well, fine, then don't wear it. But it's been a long time that I've ever seen such a popular hair trend in my life, or a career as a stylist, that it's literally set trends, like massive, massive, massive hair trends. It's made people who they are. It's helped, my business. It's helped me develop and formulate products and create content based around this and, grow my TikTok and all that stuff. It's really helped me with a lot of publicity. It's got me on the news. So trying to create this hairstyle, I've never seen anything like it with such a popular hair trend. And yeah, that's why I think it's never going out of style. So if you are interested in purchasing the TikToker hairstyle kit or the blow dryer, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com, and it's free shipping on orders over $60 in the United States. And I can't ship this to Europe, unfortunately, because the hairspray aerosol, due to FAA regulations, can't have an aerosol in the air because it's too much of a risk. But it's available in the United States. However, the brushes and tidal wave is available in Europe. But anyway, let me know if you're still wearing this hairstyle, if you're sick of seeing it, if you have it right now, if I've helped answer your questions. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.